Good morning to all of you. Welcome to your TSN English class. Today we'll start with the first part of your tense, that is present tense. Present tense का हम अभी एक previously we have discussed about simple present tense, and today we'll discuss about this tense, that is present continuous tense. This tense is used in the following ways. ये tense किस तरीके से या किस वे में यूज़ किया जाता है? फर्स्ट वन, टू डिस्क्राइब एन एक्शन इन प्रोग्रेस and the continuity of the action. Whenever there is a need to describe an action which is ongoing, or where there is a continuity, जहाँ continuity होती है, at that time we use this tense, like she is playing tennis. We are watering the plants. The passengers are wandering to and fro. The second one, an action that is not happening at the time of speaking but is in progress. Some of the actions are there which are not happening at that time, but they are in progress, like he is working in an MNC. It's not necessary a person is working 24 hours everywhere or he is present over there, but speaking but is in progress. But actually, he is over there, so he is working in an MNC. I'm teaching in a school, they are studying in DN college. Third one is an action that has been prearranged to take place in the near future. For those actions, we use present continuous tense where the actions are prearranged for the future. The wedding is going to take place on Sunday. उनकी शादी संडे को होने जा रही है. I am going to attend the class tomorrow. The fourth important point of present continuous tense is persistent and undesirable habit. For persistent or undesirable habits, especially with adverbs like always or continually or constantly, we use this present continuous tense, like you are always running me down. He is constantly gazing me. Rules for affirmative or present, you can say positive sentences. Singular plus singular subject. So whenever the subject is singular, like he, I, you, or something like that, Ram, Sita. So whenever we have singular subject, we use is or am, first form of the verb, like go, went, gone. So we use go with that, and with first form of verb हम ing लगा देंगे, like go में going, read में reading, or play playing, walk walking. Plural subject, whenever we have plural subject, we use are plus first form of verb plus ing in plural subject, like Ravi and Ajay. So these are the one plural one, we, they. सो इनके साथ हम आर लगाएंगे, फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब लगाएंगे प्लस आई एन जी. आई एम, अगर आई आता है आपको तो आई के साथ वी ऑलवेज यूज एम प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस आई एन जी. एंड द फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल ओवर हियर इज लाइक आई एम प्लेइंग अ गेम. आई इज अ सिंगुलर, बट आई के साथ हमेशा एम आएगा, दैट इज़ वाई प्ले. प्ले के साथ आई एन जी एंड देन rest of the sentence. She is also singular, तो she के साथ is आएगा. reading, read में ing. we is plural, we में are लगाया है because we is plural, we are. go is again verb plus ing, going to Shimla. Next one, rules for negative sentences. Singular subject plus is plus not plus first form of verb plus ing. All the things are same in the negative sentences like positive sentences or affirmative, but only there is one change, that after writing subject, whether it's plural or singular, we use not, and before than that we use is, am, are. So singular subject plus is plus not plus first form of verb plus ing. Like Ram is not surfing the internet, so Ram is singular. तो राम के साथ हम लगा रहे हैं is not surfing the internet. Plural subject में they are not watching a movie. So plural, they is plural. That is why we use are. Then due to the negativity or due to the negative sentence, we use not plus first form of the verb plus ing. And of course, like I के साथ हम am लगाते. I am not plus first form of verb plus ing. I am not swimming in the water. Rules for interrogative or you can say question sentences is MR plus subject plus first form of verb plus ing, then you have a question mark. और sometimes is MR से अगर नहीं start होता है question, then we use question words like where, what, why, which. So question word plus is MR plus subject plus first form of verb plus ing. Is Reena cooking the food? Are you not writing a letter? What is Ravina doing here? Which newspaper are you buying? Why was the camel not drinking water? Next. These are exceptions for present continuous tense. The following verbs are not normally used in present continuous tense on account of their meaning. Verbs of perception or senses, like example, see, hear, smell, notice, recognize, etc. Verbs of appearance, example, appear, look, seem, etc. Verb of thinking, example, think, suppose, believe, agree, consider, forget, know, imagine, mean, etc. Some verbs of emotion like want, wise, desire, feel, love, prefer, etc. have, own, possess, be, except when used in the passive ones. So these are some exceptional rules where verbs are not normally used in the present continuous tense.